Are you ready to witness the next revolution? To see gadgets that don't just upgrade your tech, but upgrade you. Because today, we're diving into a world where innovation isn't just about convenience, it's about transformation. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. I'm your name, and today, we're not just looking at new gadgets, we're exploring incredible inventions that are poised to redefine our understanding of technology itself. These aren't just incremental upgrades, these are game changers. Segment 1. The Biointegrated Health Monitor. First up, imagine a device so seamlessly integrated with your body, it's practically an extension of yourself. We're talking about the gadget name, for example, Biosense Patch. This isn't just counting steps, it's a miniature, non-invasive lab on your skin. Using advanced biosensors and AI, the Biosense Patch provides real-time, actionable insights into your health. It can alert you to potential issues before they become problems, personalize your nutrition, and even optimize your sleep based on your unique physiological data. This changes health from reactive to proactive, putting the power of preventative care directly in your hands. Segment 2. The Adaptive AI Assistant next. Forget your typical voice assistant. We're stepping into the realm of truly adaptive AI with the gadget name, for example, or a home assistant. This isn't just responding to commands, it's learning, anticipating, and seamlessly integrating with your life in ways you wouldn't believe. The Aura uses advanced machine learning to understand your habits, preferences, and even your emotional state. It can proactively manage your smart home, optimize your energy consumption, and even act as a true personal concierge, anticipating your needs before you even voice them. It's not just a smart home, it's an intuitively intelligent living space that evolves with you. Segment 3. The Dynamic Adaptive Display Revised. Now, let's talk about the future of visual interaction. Imagine a display that isn't confined to a flat surface, but can transform to fit any need, any shape, any environment. We're introducing the gadget name, for example, Chameleon Screen. The Chameleon Screen is a revolutionary, flexible display technology that can roll, fold, and even project itself onto uneven surfaces, creating immersive visual experiences anywhere. Think interactive maps appearing on your tabletop, a full-size cinema screen unfolding from a compact tube, or dynamic advertising conforming perfectly to architectural curves. This isn't just about pixels, it's about making information and entertainment truly ambient and ubiquitous, dissolving the barriers between digital and physical space. Segment 4. The Neurological Learning Accelerator. New segment. Finally, prepare for something truly profound. What if technology could directly enhance your cognitive abilities, making learning faster, more intuitive, and more profound? Enter the gadget name, for example, Cognitolink Headset. The Cognitolink headset utilizes advanced neurofeedback and AI-driven personalized learning algorithms to optimize your brain's receptivity and retention. It's designed to accelerate skill acquisition, improve focus, and even help in mastering complex subjects by gently guiding your brain waves into optimal learning states. Whether you're learning a new language, preparing for an exam, or developing a new skill, the Cognitolink is like a personal tutor for your brain, unlocking your full cognitive potential and fundamentally changing how we approach education and self-improvement. These are just a few glimpses into a future that's rapidly becoming our present. These gadgets aren't just making our lives easier. They're fundamentally changing how we perceive technology's role. They're making us healthier, more efficient, and more connected in ways we never thought possible. Host. Now, I know your mind is probably buzzing with possibilities. If you're as excited about the future of tech as we are, then don't miss out on more incredible insights and early looks at the next big things. Host. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. We'll be bringing you even more groundbreaking gadgets and in-depth analyses that will continue to challenge and expand your understanding of what's possible. Host, and if you love this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends who love tech, and let us know in the comments below, Which of these gadgets excited you the most? Or what other futuristic tech are you hoping to see next?